Modern DIY, garden ideas that look expensive, but are easy to do. Hey! Welcome back to Modern Yard Lab, the channel where we turn boring, dull outdoor spaces into absolute masterpieces, without emptying your wallet. And if you are brand new here, oh my goodness, you picked the perfect video to start with. I am so glad you clicked on this one today, because honestly, what we are about to share with you is going to completely change the way you look at your garden forever. So here is the big question I want you to think about right now. Have you ever scrolled through Pinterest or Instagram, seen a gorgeous, lush, magazine-worthy garden, and said to yourself, "That must have cost a fortune. I could never do that"? Well, today, I am here to prove you completely wrong. Stick with me till the end of this video, because I have got 7 jaw-dropping DIY garden ideas that look like they cost thousands of dollars. But trust me, your wallet is going to thank you. And before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop fresh, creative yard and garden ideas every single week. You do not want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get into it. Section 1. The Luxury Garden Path. Okay, so first things first. Let me ask you something. What is the very first thing people notice when they walk into a garden? The path, every single time. A beautiful, well-designed garden path instantly makes your entire outdoor space look curated, expensive, and intentional. But here's the secret. You do not need to hire a landscaper or spend hundreds on fancy pavers to get that look. Here is what you are going to do. Grab some concrete stepping stone molds. You can find these online for less than $10. Mix some basic concrete from your local hardware store. Pour, dry, and stamp a pattern onto each stone. Leaf prints, geometric shapes, whatever speaks to your soul. Lay them out in a gentle curved line through your garden. Fill the gaps with creeping thyme or moss for that lush designer finish. And just like that, you have a garden path that looks like it was designed by a professional landscaper. Now tell me, does your garden currently have a path? Drop a yes or no in the comments right now. I am genuinely curious. Section 2. The Vertical Garden Wall. All right, moving on to idea number 2. And this one is my personal favorite. Like, I am not even joking, this single idea transformed my outdoor space completely. And my neighbors have been asking me about it ever since. We are talking about a vertical garden wall. Now I know what you are thinking. Those look so expensive. And yes, when you buy them pre-made, they absolutely are. But DIY, it is shockingly affordable. Here is exactly how to do it. Get a wooden pallet. Many hardware stores give these away for free. Sand it down smoothly and give it 2 coats of outdoor weather-resistant paint in a color that pops. I personally love deep charcoal or warm white attach small fabric planting pockets, or repurpose old tin cans as planters along each row. Fill with a mix of trailing plants, herbs and succulents. Mount it securely against any wall or fence. The result? A living, breathing, gorgeous wall of greenery that looks like it belongs in a 5-star hotel garden. And here is your comment challenge for this one. What color would you paint your pallet wall? Tell me in the comments. I want to see your creativity. Section 3. Outdoor Lighting. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate how magical a well-lit garden looks at night? Seriously, lighting is the single most underrated element in garden design, and it is the fastest way to make your outdoor space look incredibly expensive. And the best part? You can do this for literally under $30. Here is your game plan. Buy solar-powered fairy lights and weave them through your bushes and trees. Grab some mason jars. Drop a battery-powered tea light inside each one and hang them from tree branches with twine. Line your garden path with solar stake lights in a warm amber tone. Place LED candles inside. Terracotta pots for a warm, moody glow. When the sun goes down and all those lights flicker on together, I promise you, your garden will look like an absolute dream. Quick question for you. Do you use any outdoor lighting in your garden right now? Let me know in the comments. Section 4. Raised garden beds. All right, idea number 4. And this one is for all my fellow plant lovers out there. Raised garden beds are absolutely everywhere right now, and for good reason. They look clean, structured, sophisticated, and they make gardening so much easier. But the ones you see at garden centers? They can cost anywhere from $200 to $500. Nope. Not today. Here is the affordable way. Use untreated cedar wood planks. Cedar is naturally rot-resistant and looks beautiful. Cut them into your desired dimensions. A 4x4 or 4x8 foot bed is perfect for beginners. Screw the corners together with galvanized screws. Line the bottom with landscaping fabric to prevent weeds. Fill with a rich mix of compost, topsoil, and perlite plant your favorite vegetables, flowers, or herbs, and watch them thrive. You can build one of these for under $50, and it will look like a high-end garden feature every single time. Now here is my question for you. If you had a raised garden bed, what would you grow first? Vegetables? Flowers? Herbs? Tell me below. Section 5. Outdoor seating area. Now we are getting to the part of the video that I know you have been waiting for. Because what is a beautiful garden without a gorgeous place to actually sit and enjoy it? A stunning outdoor seating area does not have to cost thousands. Here is how to create one that looks like it came straight out of an interior design magazine. Stack concrete cinder blocks into an L shape or U shape to create your sofa base. This costs almost nothing. Cut a piece of outdoor plywood to fit the top as a base for your cushions. Buy thick outdoor foam and wrap it in waterproof outdoor fabric in a bold, beautiful pattern. Add throw pillows in complementary colors. Place a tree stump or wooden cable reel as your coffee table. Add an outdoor rug underneath to tie the whole look together. The result is a seating area so beautiful and cozy that your guests will genuinely think you hired an interior designer. Tell me, do you currently have an outdoor seating area? What does it look like? I want to know. Section 6. DIY water feature. Okay, this next one is the idea that makes everyone stop scrolling whenever I post it. Because when people hear water feature, they automatically think expensive, complicated, impossible to DIY. But I am here to tell you, absolutely not. Here is a stunning DIY water feature that will make your garden look like a luxury resort. Find a large decorative pot or urn. Thrift stores are gold for this. Make it waterproof by sealing the inside with waterproof sealant. Place a small submersible water pump inside. These cost around $15 to $25 online. Fill with water and run the pump's tube up through the center so water gently bubbles and spills over the top. Surround the base with smooth river stones and lush plants. The sound of trickling water in a garden is honestly one of the most relaxing, luxurious sounds in the world. And you can have it for under $50. Have you ever wanted a water feature in your garden? Yes or no? Drop it below. To Section 7. Designer garden borders. And we have arrived at our final idea. And do not underestimate this one because it is so simple, yet so impactful. Garden borders. The difference between a garden that looks messy and one that looks professionally designed often comes down to one thing: clean, defined borders. And you can create absolutely stunning ones for almost free. Here is how. Collect smooth river rocks or field stones. You can find these at a local creek, a landscaping supplier, or even buy a bag for just a few dollars. Line them along the edges of your flower beds in a clean, deliberate pattern. For a more modern look, use black metal garden edging strips. These are affordable and look incredibly sleek. Plant low-growing border plants like lavender, ornamental grass, or marigolds right along the edge. Add a layer of dark mulch inside the border for that rich, polished, magazine-worthy contrast. This one small change will make your entire garden look 10 times more expensive and intentional. It is genuinely that powerful. Which of these 7 ideas is your absolute favorite? Tell me your number 1 in the comments. I read every single one. Closing. And there you have it, my beautiful Modern Yard Lab family. 7 modern DIY garden ideas that look incredibly expensive, but are surprisingly easy and affordable to do. Let me do a quick recap for you. The luxury garden path, the vertical garden wall, stunning outdoor lighting, beautiful raised garden beds, the cozy outdoor seating area, the DIY water feature, designer garden borders. Now here is what I want you to do right now. Pick just one of these ideas and commit to trying it this weekend. Just one. And when you do, take a photo or video and share it with me. I would absolutely love to see your transformation. And if you found this video helpful, and I genuinely hope you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it truly helps this channel grow and reach more garden lovers just like you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a single video. Because trust me, what we have coming up next week is going to absolutely blow your mind. We are the Modern Yard Lab, where ordinary yards become extraordinary spaces. I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay creative, and keep building your dream garden. Bye for now.